क्या लॉकडाउन आपके लिए डिप्रेशन की वजह बन रहा है? क्या आप भी समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं कि कैसे अपने डेली रूटीन में अपनी हेल्थ, अपनी डाइट और अपने दिमागी संतुलन को सही रखें? क्या आपकी भी दिनचर्या में सब कुछ उलट-पुलट हो रहा है? लॉकडाउन में सक्रिय जीवन शैली बनाए रखने के लिए, सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोण के लिए और अपने शरीर की रोग प्रतिरोधक शक्ति मजबूत बनाए रखने के लिए क्या करें और क्या नहीं, किन बातों का ख्याल रखें, आइए जानते हैं डाइटिशियन, स्पोर्ट्स स्पेशलिस्ट मिनाली वोरा जी से।
Hello everyone, I am Manali Vora. I am a dietitian in food service management, a pediatric nutrition and childcare management, as well as a sports nutritionist. As we all know that the world is undergoing tremendous drawbacks of pandemic of COVID-19. Almost everything, the economy, the manpower, the human resources, the growth, the development of each and every country is at stake currently. So, and we all are locked and packed in our own houses. So I received many complaints from my clients talking about that they are not able to focus, they are under mental pressure and emotional pressure as well as some financial disturbances, and they are not able to maintain their healthy diet as well as physical activities in daily routine. So guys, this video is a short video about how to maintain your healthy lifestyle amongst this COVID-19 sessions, lockdown sessions which are currently going on. I would like to highlight a few pointers which can be adopted by each and every individual to get a good immunity and health in these lockdown sessions. Although diets cannot be generalized in public, like every individual is different and they can be customized from person to person, but these are few highlighters which everyone can follow to increase their immunity as well as maintain a good healthy routine in this lockdown sessions. So to begin with, guys, when do you wake up in the morning is really important. I know we are going through lazy holidays where everyone almost is getting up late. Guys, this is really not correct. Just imagine one day you have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and go out for work, and how difficult it's gonna be. So guys, please try to get up early in the morning so that you extract maximum of vitamin D from the sunlight. I suggest you to indulge into any physical activity of your choice. For example, pranayam, yoga, Surya Namaskar are the best ones for any beginners. If you have not been doing this in the past, guys, please try to do these. These are really good. They rejuvenate your skin, rejuvenate your body and your internal systems. So I would also like to suggest any beginner level activity or any weightlifting activity for each and every individual, no matter what. Secondly, I would like to suggest you to meditate for minimum 20 minutes a day. Guys, positive attitude, a positive approach is really important to fight any situation coming to you. Plus, meditation also helps us in developing our brain, in immunity as well as in increasing our focus and concentration. Thirdly, I would like to add the protein and the carb sources. Yes, guys, there are fruits, vegetables, cereals, grains available in almost all the parts of the country. I believe the government is doing its best to do it. I've seen many people avoiding carbs and fats in these lockdown sessions. I don't know why. How can you just deduct a food group from your daily routine? Guys, carbs, proteins and fats are equally important, although the ratio depends from person to person, but in general, the ratio which I would like to suggest is 40% carbs, 40% protein and 20% good fats. Carbs would include good carbohydrates like complex carbohydrates like dalia, oats or any food grains and cereals. The milk sources, the milk products, the pulses, rajma, dals can be a good source of protein. I suggest at least 6 portions of protein per day. The fats which I was talking about are definitely good fats. 1 teaspoon of cow's ghee and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed would really help for your body. Please exclude the bad fats, trans fats, chips, pastries or biscuits available these days in the market. Fourth thing which I would like to add is, guys, the season in India is really fluctuating since a year, I guess. There are rains in some part of the country, there is a scorching heat in some part of the country. So I would like to suggest, please keep your body hydrated. Please at least have 7 to 8 glasses of water a day. This would keep your body hydrated and a normal homeostasis would be balanced. It is really important to balance the electrolyte system of your body. So please keep your body hydrated. Lastly, I would like to add, please do not go into an abrupt sleep cycle. Yes, sound sleep is really important. Minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep in this lockdown period would really help us to get away with our stress and the dark circles and any skin related problems. So guys, water, skin, immunity, a balanced diet, a healthy active lifestyle would at home in limited resources would help every one of us to get out of this lockdown session very early, and that too with a good health. Thank you all. Thank you Mahanagar Mail News for inviting me on your panel. Thank you. I hope every one of you will have a happy and a safe lockdown session. Thank you again.
कुछ और ऐसे ही विषयों से जुड़ी जानकारी लेकर फिर मिलेंगे आपसे डाइटिशियन मृणाली वोरा के साथ। तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाजत। देखते रहिए महानगर मेल न्यूज। ऐसे ही कुछ और यूजफुल वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारा चैनल महानगर मेल न्यूज और इन वीडियोस को अपने दोस्तों से शेयर करना ना भूलें। लाइक जरूर करें और साथ ही प्रेस करें बेल आइकन ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारे हर नए वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन।